It's Invention Saturday, bright ideas ahead. Is there a ghost in the machine today? Only one way to find out. Which of these is not something pencils are used for? You got it, teleportation. What is the button you press to take a photo called? You got it, the shutter button. Which of these could you look at with a microscope? Correct, a tiny bug. Which of these helps stop a car? Correct, brakes. Before cars, what did many people use to travel long distances? That's right, horses and buggies. What is another name for an airplane? That's right, aeroplane. Which of these is not a part of most microscopes? That's right, a steering wheel. What is a toaster used for? That's right, to make toast. What is the chain on a bicycle mostly made of? That's right, metal. Alexander Graham Bell had a lifelong interest in helping people who had trouble with what? You got it, hearing? That's a wrap. Hit follow so you don't miss Buffett tomorrow.